Hello all, thank you so much for the purchase. I'm going to show how to start and operate the BOSeTamper. So this is for version 15. First thing first to do is turn the power button on. There's a small push button. Press those down and now you will see this screen. You can press the right button or left button just to give a shot. So the right buttons on this, it will bring the temper lower, thus will create more pressure to the puck. This is to go lower number, and lower number means you will temp less. It will produce less force or less pressure. Right, so a couple more things. To charge this system, you need a charging pad. It's a standard key wireless charging for cell phones. You can just put it upside and then put it down, and then it will charge. You will see this red light indicators that it is charging now. I usually just leave this on my counter in this position and just leave it alone, and then it's going to be ready when I need to temp